ये कौन सी चटनी है?
ग्रीन, ये स्वीट।
ये कौन सा चावल यूज़ करता है? बासमती। Unlimited pav bhaji for 200 rupees, guys. Yes, you heard it right. Unlimited pav bhaji for 200 rupees. So guys, we have come little bit farther from the Kalidas Auditorium. Here we have come to MG Road, the Mulund's MG Road, to try out the very special bhel, as I said. So the special bhel is something very, I believe mostly people from Mumbai, they might have been tried this bhel, but let me tell you guys, the people who don't know about this, who are in Mumbai and they try the normal bhel, so this will be something different for you guys. So let's go ahead and try that bhel. So guys, this is the very famous bhel over here, which is called the Jai Jalaram bhel. It's very famous here in Mulund. So we are going to try their bhel. I have heard about this Jalaram bhel for a pretty long time. A very busy place. So guys, let me reveal the things over here. So the bhel, the reason why the bhel is very special is because this is completely cold bhel. So this bhel is called the ice bhel. सही बात है ना अंकल?
Yes.
तो कब से है ये दुकान?
60 वर्ष हो गए।
60 years हो गए। तो ये तब से आप आइस भेल ही बना रहे क्या नॉर्मल भेल बनाते थे पहले?
आइस भेल अपने हुई।
तो as he said, it's completely famous for its ice भेल. So let's try the ice भेल.
मीडियम।
मीडियम। ये कौन सी चटनी है?
ग्रीन, ये स्वीट।
Thank you. So guys, this is the ice bhel. It's completely cold. My hands are feeling that cold while catching this ice bhel. So let's see. Let's try the ice bhel right now, guys. So my mouth is literally watering because he's added, as you can see, there is potato into it. There is the puffed rice, which they call. We call it murmura over here. So they have added potatoes. They have added there are 4 types of chutneys, which is cold, and also onions and beetroot, tomatoes. So there are a hell lot of things into this. It's just 40 rupees. As I said, if you're in Mulund, come down here at MG Road. It is close by to the station and you can try this ice bhel. Let's go ahead and dig into it, guys. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. I saw one good thing, they're also adding grapes. So this ice bhel is fruity as well. So it's nice, something different. I got one more thing, guys. It's pineapple. Nice, guys. Good score for this. People had hyped up this place. I just wanted to see if really this is an iPhone, but it has gone more than my expectations. And I want you guys to come and try all these dishes what I recommend from the Kalidas Auditorium, the 2-3 things which I tried. And also at this MG Road, you can try this, the ice bhel. It is very delicious, guys. So in summer, I would not prefer to eat bhel. But coming here and eating this ice bhel, I thought it would be spicy. This is really a treat to eat. The chutney is very delicious. It will not give you heat into your gullet. It will be very soothing for this heat. So Jai Jalaram bhel. It's an ice bhel. They sell ice bhel, only one bhel. Very delicious. So guys, as I was ending the vlog, but beside the Jai Jalaram ice bhel, I have found one center which sells pav bhaji. So I thought of like comparing the Jhu pav bhaji, because the Jhu pav bhaji was like different one. So I thought of comparing the Jhu pav bhaji with this place. So let's see what this place name is. So this place name is Badshah Pav Bhaji. So here if you come down, it's a small restaurant. It's a place where you can come down and sit. So let's see what this pav bhaji says and does it defeat the Jew pav bhaji or no. I'll give you a genuine review. Mulund is a place where you can come down and try their pav bhaji as well. So let's see the making, guys. So this is their menu over here. Kindly pause the video and you can check down the rates. These are the current rates. So guys, while talking to the person who's preparing over here, they have their combo pav bhaji and pulao for 150 rupees. So I've taken that, and they have also unlimited pav bhaji over here for 200 rupees. तो ये स्कीम अभी तक चल रहा है अनलिमिटेड पाव भाजी का, मतलब जितना चाहिए उतना खाओ। तो पक्का अगर 50 पाव खाने वाला आ गया यहाँ पे देख के तो 50 पाव दोगे उसको? भाजी भी अनलिमिटेड 200 रुपये में। तो यहाँ पे क्राउड भी अच्छा आता होगा शाम में। तो ये क्या हम लोग अब बना रहे पाव भाजी और पुलाव। तो ये आपका रेडीमेड भाजी है। ये हमारा पाव भाजी। तो ये क्या यूज़ करें? ऑयल। हाँ सर। So let's see the making of the pulao, which is a combo for 150 rupees. ठीक है, मिर्ची, अदरक लहसुन। ठीक है, पानी। ठीक है, कॉलीफ्लावर, बीन्स, कैरेट। कौन सा चावल यूज करता है? बासमती। ऐसा यूजुअली आप सबको खिलाते हैं क्या? मेरे लिए कुछ स्पेशल कर रहे हैं? नहीं, जितने भी मेरे सब्सक्राइबर रहेंगे उतने सबको एक सेम ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगा ना?
हाँ सेम।
पक्का?
पक्का।
तो कंप्लेंट नहीं आएगा किसका?
नहीं।
एक नंबर का। कितना टाइम हो गया फिर भी ये होटल को?
2 महीना हो गया।
2 महीना हो गया। और ये ऑफर कब तक है?
ये ऑफर कभी
रहेगा, बहुत टाइम तक रहेगा। ये सेम क्वांटिटी आता है सबको?
हाँ सेम।
अगर ये कॉम्बो लेते तो भी?
हाँ।
तो दिस इज अ प्रेजेंटेशन। थैंक यू। हो गया ना हमारा रेडी? सो द फूड्स हियर गाइस, see how delicious the food is looking. So this both varieties are only for 150 rupees. So let's try the pav bhaji and their pulao as well. So guys, we are going to try their pav bhaji out here. So but before going ahead, let me tell you one thing. I wanted to compare between the Juga pav bhaji and the pav bhaji from Mulund, but I'm sorry guys, for this price 150 rupees combo, I think this any time would be worth. Addition to this, as I said, they are not using Amul, they are using a different kind of butter, but for the price of 150 rupees, I am damn sure by the smell of that butter it is similar to Amul. So don't worry guys, 150 rupees for this combo. And also, if you're a hard eater, guys, if you're a hard eater, they have one special offer over here, that is unlimited pav bhaji for 200 rupees. Guys, yes, you heard it right, unlimited pav bhaji for 200 rupees. Any hard eater out here, as the maker said, if you want to have 10 breads, if you want to have 50 breads, he'll make it for you, but on one condition, one person should finish that pav bhaji at a time. So the person who is making, he said there is no time limit for eating the unlimited pav bhaji. You can come down, spend your time, eat as much as you want for 200 rupees per person. Let me make myself clear, guys. For 200 rupees per person, a single person can come and try their unlimited pav bhaji. If it's a family of 5 or 4, it multiplies by 200 per person. So yes, guys, let's try the pav bhaji out here. So this place name is, as I said, Badshah Pav Bhaji. So guys, I'm not comparing this video right now because after seeing 150 rupees for the combo, my mind is out, guys. 150 rupees in Mulund, I don't think so you might get anything better than this price. And I'm going to try this, guys. Let's see the taste first. And this would be a genuine review, guys. For the price of 150 rupees, I will really not expect more than this, what they're giving. Taste similar to pav bhaji. They have not added cheese because that would cost an extra money for it. I thought of showing you guys the combo over here. As I said, the combo is for 150. So we got this quantity. This is the handi, we say. In this they have given the bhaji. Just see the amount of bhaji. So this is the amount of bhaji which they give. So if you take the combo also, this can be eaten with multiple paws. So guys, it is very delicious and I will not expect more than this for one price of 150 rupees. I give 100 thumbs up for this place. It is new, hence guys, take an opportunity. If you're here in Mulund, take this opportunity, come down here and try this combo or the unlimited pav bhaji. I bet you'll like it and you'll go tummy full for 150 or 200 rupees, guys. Addition to this place, you can sit over here, chill out with your friends and your families. There would be no disturbance. There is a table out there as well, a big table. You can stand and eat with your friends, a group of 4-5. Maybe you're a college going person or maybe a school going children. You can come down here and try their food. Also, they have given salads like cucumber, onion along with it. So I have never seen any pav bhaji center giving this complimentary things. So I highly recommend this place, guys. It is good to go. So guys, now we are trying their pulao. So this is inclusive in that 150 combo. So as you see in the video, it is completely prepared with veggies and topped with onion and garnished with coriander. And this is actually prepared in oil, but my motive here is budget and taste as well. As I said, I'm not comparing this place because for 150 I know I'm not going to get any combo of such. So let's try this pulao. Apart from the artificial flavor, the color which he added, if I don't tell him to put that color into this will really taste like a homemade pulao. Because each and everything which went into it, including the basmati rice, which we find at home, and the masala. The masala is normal, it's a potato and peas and cauliflower mixture. So guys, the pulao also is very delicious. It smells very good, guys. This is really a very good pulao. I give a good score for this pulao. But as I said, 150 rupees for the combo, and for this quantity which the owner said that each and every person comes over here for the combo also, they get the similar quantity. So it's not like I'm a blogger and I've got the best treatment over here. No, they give this quantity to each and every customer of theirs. So I'm 100 thumbs up for this place. Thank you very much. So guys, this was all for today. We are ending the vlog today. with the Badshah Pav Bhaji Center. It was a very beautiful day out here in Mulund, and I would recommend you, whatever places I've tried, you go ahead and try those dishes at those places. I bet you'll like each and every food over here in Mulund, and especially this combo, 150 rupees, the Pav Bhaji and the Pulav combo. It was decent enough. I would not compare this place with any other outlet, because for 150 rupees, as you know, in Juhu we had that Pav Bhaji for 270. So yes, comparing Juhu, this is nothing for 150 rupees. So guys, I would request you to come down here and try their food. It is very delicious. For 150 rupees, you'll fill your stomach, also you'll enjoy their food. So guys, if you like this video, please comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Also to like this video, and also press the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload any video on my channel. Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching.